For the next 7 weeks in our 5M Soulful Self Care Saturday workshop series, we'll be talking about phrases for stress. I'm going to share with you the topic and notes for tomorrow, and if you're available any Saturday, you can join us 12 to 2 p.m. at One God, One Thought Center, which is at 3605 Coronado Road. It's family friendly, so meet us there for a soulful, soothing self-care experience. You can even get a nice massage from Ruben Ortiz of The Relief Experience. Tomorrow's topic, being too attached to the good and the bad. Yep, the good and the bad. We are hardwired through evolution to like what is pleasant and want more of it, and to dislike what isn't pleasant and want to get rid of it. And while these traits help us to survive, they do not help us to attain mental peace and freedom, which is to thrive. We can't control that our whole lives are a cycle of pleasant and unpleasant experiences, but we can control how we relate to this truth with balance, ease, acceptance, and a healthy level of detachment to help have a better relationship with this ebb and flow. This reoccurrent pattern of coming and going, decline and regrowth. If we're too attached to one season of our life, then we'll experience suffering when these seasons inevitably change. However, if we realize and accept that the nature of life is a constant influx of changing seasons, then we can learn to be at ease in this natural flow. When we take everything that happens in our life personally, the good and the bad, this can lead to unnecessary stress, anxiety, and depression. In this mindset, we're trying to understand life through our attachments, cognitive biases, and egocentric outlooks. Basically means everything that happens in life is caused by me or about me. Sometimes, and with some things, this is true. Not with everything. So learning how to enjoy the pleasant without attachment or clinging, and how to be with the unpleasant without aversion, fear, or pushing it away, gives us a new way to be balanced, centered, and grounded in our lives and the ever-changing world around us. So ponder on this question. What's your current relationship with pleasant and unpleasant experiences in your life? Sit with that after this video. Our goal is to create equanimity, a state of psychological stability and composure, undisturbed by experience of or exposure to emotions, pain, or other phenomena that may cause others to lose it. It's mental calmness, composure, and evenness of temper, especially in a difficult situation. So here's 5 mantras that will help you with the stress that comes along with being too attached to the good and the bad. What I want you to do is to take one of these mantras that resonates with you the most, sit with your eyes closed, repeat the mantra on your out breath over and over again for 5 minutes. And when you get distracted, which you will, just notice it, be mindful, which means not to judge yourself, bring yourself back to your mantra, and just continue to repeat it until your 5 minutes has come to a close. Then drop me a line and let me know how this helps you with dealing with your stress. Mantra number 1, the only consistency in life is change. And right now I embrace change with peace, ease, and equanimity. Mantra number 2, I can't always control what happens to me in life, but I can control my response to it. And right now, I choose to stay grounded and not take things so personally. Mantra number 3, in this moment, I won't allow the overwhelmingly good or bad things in life to remove me from my place of peace, groundedness, and center. Mantra number 4, right now I take responsibility for my own thoughts, feelings, and actions, and I send others well wishes to do the same. Mantra number 5, I will work to change what I can, accept with grace and ease what I can't, and be mindful and curious to become aware of the difference. Just as a reminder, mindfulness is being aware from moment to moment of what's going on without negative judgment of the situation, but seeing through an open, positive, and curious lens. I hope these tips were helpful for helping you to manage your stress, and join us on a Saturday for 5M Soulful Self Care Saturdays. I look forward to seeing you soon. Let's self-care together and